Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making a classic dessert which is very easy to make yet tastes amazing. Yes, it's caramel custard. First I have taken 400 ml of hot full fat milk. To this add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this well to let the sugar dissolve completely. See, hot milk helps the sugar to dissolve easily. Now this needs to cool down completely before we add to the eggs. To make the caramel, in a heavy pan melt 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of sugar. To pour the custard, I have taken 4 small bowls like this. If you don't have small ones, you can take one large one as well. Now the sugar is melting and getting caramelized. You can see it is honey color. At this stage, add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix this well. So the caramel is ready now. Now pour this into the mold and rotate and coat the bottom well. So I'm going to do in all the 4 bowls like this. See, now this is ready. This needs to cool down completely. So making the caramel is the toughest part where you can go wrong. So I have some samples. See, this is the dark color caramel which we use for fruit cakes. But for this recipe, you need the light colored caramel like this. Oops, it's stuck onto the plate. So this is the color you want for caramel custard. Now in a large bowl, crack open 2 eggs and whisk the eggs lightly. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and the milk and sugar mixture. Mix this well and pour this into the prepared molds. So do not fill up to the brim, just leave some gap. Now cover these with a lid and steam this in a pressure cooker or a steamer with around half a liter of water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open and check if it's completely cooked. So when you touch the top with your fingers, it should not stick onto your finger. So in case if it is not cooked, just steam it for an additional 2 minutes. Let this cool completely. Chill this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Now to serve, loosen the sides with a sharp knife like this and carefully demold this onto a plate. See, wow, how beautiful this is. So whenever I have caramel custard, I am reminded of my mother making plain custard for Easter night. Tastes amazing. Hope you guys will enjoy this dessert at home. And for more tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen. Thank you.